Cal.com versus Calendly. Which one should you be using to schedule meetings? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare Cal.com and Calendly, two of the most popular scheduling tools out there, so you can pick the one that actually fits your workflow and business needs. Let's start with Calendly. It's the go-to tool for most people. Super easy to use, clean interface, and great if you're booking calls, interviews, or client meetings. It integrates well with Zoom, Google Calendar, Outlook, and more. Perfect for freelancers, solopreneurs, and teams who want something smooth without the tech headaches. Now let's talk about Cal.com. Cal.com is an open source alternative that gives you full control, meaning you can host it yourself, customize how things work, and even build it into your own app or website. It's free to use if you self-host, and great if you care about privacy or want to tweak the system to fit your brand. So which one offers the best experience? If you're looking for a plug-and-play solution that just works, Calendly wins. But if you're technical and want a self-hosted, customizable option, Cal.com might be your move. Both are awesome, just built for different kinds of users. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.